Hello dear students, welcome back to online class. It's a big pleasure to see you all again here. And next we move on to the next lesson of science called matter. You know that in the universe everything is made up of matter. So we can define the matter as anything which occupies space or volume and mass is known as matter. And you know that three physical states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. So these are the three main states of matter. Now let's see how the matter is composed. The composition of matter is done by atom, molecule and ions. Let's see what is atom. Already you know that atom is a tiny particle and which consists of proton, electron and neutron. Let's see molecule. If two or more than one atom is combined to form a molecule. Ion, you know that atom consists of positive and negative charges, that is electron and proton. So these are called ions. So already you know that in the universe everything is made up of atom, and in the same way we have element. Let's see what is an element. A substance which is composed of a single kind of atom is called element, and it cannot be broken down into another substance by chemical or physical means. 100 existing elements are listed and classified on the periodic table. You can see the periodic table. So in this we have number of elements starting from hydrogen. Symbol of elements. First of all, why we need symbol of element? See, writing out the name of an element every time would become too trouble, and for that reason only we use shorted form of the name of element called symbol. Initially there is a Greek symbols and alchemist symbols were used, and also Dalton symbol. They were used some pictures to represent the symbol of an element. So this is the Dalton representation of an element by picture. But these symbols are very difficult to draw, and hence these were not used further. So these are the some examples of Dalton representation of symbol. And next symbolic representation of element is Berzelius symbols. This is by John Jacob Berzelius. He used alphabet letters to represent the symbol of element, and this is accepted one, and present system of determining the symbol of elements also. Now let's see the rules following by this Berzelius system. The first one, the symbol of most common elements use first letter of their English name. For example, from this table you can see the first one, boron. So for that element the first letter of that element is used as a symbol, that is B. And for carbon, C. For fluorine, F. For hydrogen it is H. So likewise it is going. Then if the name of the element has the same initial letter as another element, then symbol uses the first and second letter of their element's name. First letter in uppercase and second letter in lowercase. You can see the table. In that second one, barium, and third one, beryllium, both have same first letter, that is B. So for this case first and second letters are used as a symbol. For barium, Ba. For beryllium, Be. So first letter in uppercase, that is in capital letter, and second letters in lower case, that is in small letter. So you can see some other examples for this case from this table. Now let's see next one. If the first two letters of the names of elements are the same, then the symbol consists of first letter and second or third letter of the English name that they do not have in common. For example, See the first one argon and second one arsenic. So both have first and second letter as same. So for that argon the symbol is Ar, that is first and second letter is used, and for arsenic first and third letter is used as a symbol As. So some other examples for this case is given in this table. You can see this for chlorine, chromium, calcium, cadmium, magnesium, manganese, silicon. So these are the some other examples of this case. Let's see next one. Some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. There are 11 elements. See the table. First one is sodium. So for sodium, first letter is not used. Instead of that, the Latin name of sodium is natrium. From that, Na is taken out. So symbol of sodium is Na. So here it is based on the Latin name. Next one is some elements are named using name of country, scientist, color, mythological character or planet. For example, see the table. First one is americium. The symbol of this element is Am, but this name is derived from the country of America. Likewise, see the fourth one, iodine, I. Symbol of iodine is I, but this name is derived from the Greek word called iodine. This means that violet color. Okay students, now let's learn about how to write symbol for elements. If element has single letter as a symbol, it should be write in capital letter. For example, hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is H. It is a single letter, so it should be write in the capital letter. So now you can understand it should be write in capital letter, right? Then if element having two letter as a symbol, then the first letter should be write in capital and followed by small letter. For example, we can say argon. For argon, the symbol is Ar. Here it has two letters as a symbol, so the first letter should be in capital letter and second letter should be in small letter. So from these discussions you can know the significance of the symbol of element. That is, we can write the name of the element by using symbol, and which gives element contains only one atom. So that's all. Thank you students.